Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand the AI tokens and the context windows in simple terms. These two concepts are extremely important because they determine how AI models read the information, remember the context, and generate the responses. So let's break it down step by step. First of all, let's understand about the tokens. So the AI models don't read the text the same way we humans do. Instead of processing the full sentence at once, they break the text into the smaller pieces, which is called tokens. Now, a token can be a word, a part of a word, or even punctuation. For example, a sentence like AI is changing the word might be split into several tokens like AI, then is, then changing, the, and word. You can just take a look at it in this particular example. Now the AI processes these tokens one by one and predicts the next token when generating a response. Now let's move to the context windows. The context window is basically the amount of text the AI can remember at once during a conversation or the tasks. It includes your prompt, the previous messages, or the AI's responses. You can think of it like the AI's short-term memory. For example, if a model has a context window of 8,000 tokens, it can only consider up to 8,000 tokens at a time when generating the responses. If the conversation becomes longer than that, the older information may start to drop out of the context. So this is why sometimes AI might forget the earlier parts of a long conversation. The larger context windows allow AI to handle the bigger tasks. For instance, the models with large context windows can analyze the long documents, entire report, or even multiple files at once. The tokens and the context windows also affect the cost and the performance. So, more tokens you send to the AI, the more processing is required. That's why developers often try to optimize the prompts and reduce the unnecessary text. So in simple terms, tokens are the pieces of the text AI reads and generates, and the context window is how much the information the AI can keep in memory at one time. Understanding these two concepts help explain how the modern AI models process the language. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.